You got a nice new shirt on.
But Daddy did all by himself?
I did changes. I wrap you like a little burrito. And now you're just kind of just hanging out.
Very awake.
Yeah.
Looking all
Look
around.
at those eyes. You don't know what to look at. Oh, you're so beautiful. Hi. My hands are nice and clean. Oh. You looking at Mama? Hi. Oh, hi. You are the best baby. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. I'm
Let's try to
sorry.
get a picture of his eyes open too.
Yeah. I know. Oh, you just smiling.
Can you get his dimple? Uh-oh. You sneeze again?
Look how cute you are.
You need to do with all that cuteness.
Oh, hi. Hi. No, you don't make that face at me. Put these on you.
Oh.
Hi.
It's our first night in the hospital.
Yeah. No, well,
First.
I mean,
First
with the
night
baby. Yeah.
And it's, what time is it? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock a.m. He's wide awake.
No, 1. 1 now. Wide awake, yeah, but we just fed him. Fed him. We just fed him. No, he did a great job feeding.
Good. He's such a good baby.
Hey, where's that thing that I just, Oh, what are you doing? No, you're just making noises. You're so cute. Where's that? Oh, it's right here. Get this, because this is the one you did poopers on. You don't do the poopers on that one.
Try to get a picture of him with his eyes open. You don't have
Okay.
any pictures?